Today we're going to be doing a very interactive session on motivation and persuasion. And this is something that we're hoping you benefit from in terms of the groups that you work with within Columbia, but also within your career.
Our goal as speakers is always to try to fit audience expectations. We can all improve our communication skills through practice. Public speaking is like playing an instrument or a sport. The best public speakers practice regularly. Thank you so much for being part of this.
Well, thank you so much for your time, and I really appreciate your input, okay? And enjoy. Thank you.